we're on a boat. It's Friday night and we're gonna spend the weekend in Germany and Denmark. What's great about Europe is that the distances aren't that great, so it's very easy to cross borders.
So that's the advantage about traveling in Europe. We can just take the weekend off and drive all the way to Germany, even though it's just a weekend. So we're starting here in Larvik, which is just about 20 minutes away from our house. So we're starting here in Larvik, which is just about 20 minutes away from our home. And the boat ride is for 4 hours, I believe.
Yeah, like 3.5, 4 hours.
Yes, yeah. And then we will arrive Hirtshals in Denmark, in Denmark, Hirtshals in Denmark. And then we will find some place to sleep in Denmark before driving off to Germany. And we're planning on driving to Berlin, but we're not just sure where we'll end up in Germany. We'll see where we end up. So we're not really sure how this video is going to turn out yet, but we're just driving into Europe and we'll see what happens.
Just go with the flow.
This is like sitting in an airplane. They're like plane chairs, but they're just more comfortable.
The legroom is way...
Look at our legroom. The legroom is bigger than me. We got a plug here and of course a map that shows where we are. And now Vegard's gonna read and sleep.
I'm gonna check out the tax-free.
Let's go. We only got some snacks. It is fun to take a boat to Denmark. There are many different seating options. You can have dinner, you can go shopping, and you can go out on the deck. Oh, there's Vegard. Vegard thinks this is a hair blower. That's funny. Bye Larvik! Bye Norway! I forgot to say that we got this boat ride completely for free. My brother, he works in a boat just like this, and we got some vouchers from him. So now we're traveling free on this boat. Are you enjoying those Smarties?
Yes, sir.
Calls me sir. Time to head back to the car.
Let's go.
Bye, boat! And we're in Denmark. We are driving from Hirtshals to Aalborg, which is just 45 minutes. Then it's time to sleep. We're almost at the hotel. See you tomorrow. Good morning from Denmark. It is 8 a.m. and we have been driving for an hour now. We stayed in Aalborg and now we're close to Aarhus. And people say Denmark is really flat, but there are so many hills here. I don't think it's that flat. It's a little over an hour before we're in Germany, and the first thing we're going to do in Germany is buy a sticker. It's like an environmental sticker that lets us drive in the city. So we have to get that first. The speed limit's 130 kilometers per hour, so this is going really fast. Germany! Now, you can get a sticker at many different places, but we got it at Dekra. We got the sticker for free. Normally, you could pay 20 or 30 euros for this, but I guess the guy there was in a good mood today. Got the sticker, now we can drive in cities. We made plans. We didn't really have any plans before driving out here. We just knew that we wanted to go to Germany and drive around. We thought about going to Berlin, but then I remembered we have a friend living in northern Germany. His name is Lenny and we met him in the States. We went on this big road trip with him and I just sent him a message and he is available. He's at a meeting right now, so we have some hours to kill. So we're starting our Germany weekend trip off in Hamburg. I've never had a Hamburger in Hamburg before. So maybe we'll have one today. Jetzt fahren wir nach Hamburg. road trip joke for you. What is the biggest city in Germany? Ausfahrt. We're in Hamburg and we're starting in Hafen City. Here's a map of the Hafen City. It means port city. So this area lies on reclaimed land, or partially on reclaimed land from the river Elbe. And there's a huge industry here. You know, Hamburg is known for the big industry, and you can see it in the background here. And Hamburg is Germany's second biggest city, so I'm really looking forward to see more of this. This is Spijkerstad, and you can see the buildings are lying on top of logs.
Just like Venice!
Yes, and I just read that in Hamburg there are more canals than Venice and Amsterdam put together.
Combined. Wow.
There are free postcards here. I have a new one to hang on the wall. Dar es Salaam Platz. They sure are international here. So where are we going?
I don't know where I'm going.
Spontaneous trips are a lot of fun. I did just a tiny bit of research before coming here, and we didn't really have plans, so we decided to go there. Now we're in the city center and we are looking for some food. And what else to eat in Hamburg other than a hamburger? Amazing burger. Bacon, cheese, tomato, lettuce, and fries. That was a great burger.
Yes!
Now we got what we came for here. So now we're headed to our friend Lenny.
Lenny Main!
It was a fun day in Hamburg. This is the route we took, exactly 700 kilometers. We're ending the video here, so next week we'll get to meet our friend Lenny, and we're also visiting our friend Elvis. Subscribe to my channel for travel and country videos, and take a look at my Instagram account, travel.and.geography. See ya!